All right, so this is going to be a king suite in the North Tower, floor 28. So what's really cool about all the Venetian rooms is you essentially have a suite. So typically you'll either have a king or two queens here, and then you'll have a nice open floor plan here with window view. You have two TVs. So these lights are automatic. So if you get up to go to the bathroom, those lights will go on, which makes it really convenient. You have drapes and curtain controls right here. So you can activate the curtains from way over here. You have your light switches for the bed. You have reading lights. Lots of outlets for all your devices. USB-C, USB, regular outlets. This is the suite area. So typically you'll either have love seats or couch and chairs depending on the room size. But a nice little relaxing area for sure. Then you have a little table here if you want to eat something. Another TV. Now these snacks are not free. You get charged if you use these. This is also a mini bar, so you get charged if you use this as well, but it's stocked up with all different drinks. So if you want to know the prices for everything, you can actually access it on the suite television. These three are drawer space. And then you have your regular fridge over here. You got a decent view of the strip and the garden pool. All right, here's your closet. So standard closet, you got your safe, ironing stuff. You do get robes, which is cool. So take advantage of that. But regular old closet. Here's the bathroom. You have a separate toilet room.